What would the world of fashion look like without women? Did I hear you say empty? You're right. Women and their taste, whims, likes, and dislikes are the main drivers of the fashion industry all over the world. It is therefore not surprising that when watchers assess fashion in our male dominated political terrain, they tend to focus more on the fads and fashion for our female politicians. Ever since women started running for offices in Nigeria, their clothing choice has received more attention than those of their male counterparts. You may argue that this is really about sexism because some will argue that women should only be assessed on the basis of their contribution and intellect. They should not be subjected to a standard different from their male counterparts. Here are the most fashionable female politicians in Nigeria. 1. Gbemisola Seraki. Gbemisola Bukoya Saraki is currently the Minister of State for Transportation of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, appointed by President Muhammadu Buhari on 21 of August 2019, and former senator who was elected to represent the Kwara Central Senatorial District in the year 2003 under the platform of the People Democratic Party. She was elected into the House of Representatives in 1999, representing Ilorin West Federal Constituency, Kwara State. She is a sister to former Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 8th Assembly, Bukola Saraki. From her youth, she was blessed with direct access to people from all backgrounds and issues that affect them. This early exposure and parental example will go on to determine her decision to enter into the field of politics and informs the approach of humility, empathy, and tolerance that endears her to her constituents and colleagues to this day. Early in her life, she took more than passing interest into the lives of the people, and she developed a deeper passion to make positive marks. 2. Oluremi Tinubu. Oluremi Tinubu from Ogun State, Nigeria, is the former First Lady of Lagos State and currently a senator representing Lagos Central Senatorial District at the Nigerian National Assembly. Pastor Oluremi Tinubu is married to former governor and senator of Lagos State, Bola Tinubu. She is a Christian and is an ordained pastor of the Redeemed Christian Church of God. I've never seen anyone look so ready to kill it at each and every occasion, built with the finesse and class that befits and comes natural to her. 3. Florence Itagiwa. Florence Itagiwa is a Nigerian politician who was a senator for the Cross River South Senatorial District of Cross River State. She married Dele Giwa, the founding editor of Newswatch magazine. They were married for only 10 months, after which Dele Giwa married Olufumi Olaniyan, who was married to him until his death in 1986. Despite her advance in age, Florence Itagiwa still has great love for fashion. Her love for expensive jewelries as well as tasteful design headwears cannot be overly emphasized. Florence Itagiwa is a showstopper anytime, any day. If you are not captivated by her ageless beauty, her endearing smile will surely get your rapt attention. Anytime, anytime she stuttered gleefully into a public function, paparazzi and cameras will never stop jostling to catch a glimpse of her. 4. Abike Dabiri. Abike Kafayat Oluwatoyin Dabiri Erewa was born in Jos, Plateau State. She's a Nigerian politician and former member of the Nigerian Federal House of Representatives, representing Ikorodu constituents in Lagos State. She was the chairman of the House Committee on Media and Publicity. Dabiri Ayowa was born to the family of Alhaji and Alhaja Ashafa Irogbogbo of Ikorodu. Her father, Alhaji Ashafa Irogbogbo, is one of the children of late Alhaji Sule Irogbogbo of Adego Rose Compound, Ajino Square, Ita, Adogbodo, Ikorodu. Her parental grandmother, Alhaja Alimotu Irogbogbo, is from Bello Selebo family of Ita, Elewa Square, Ikorodu. She's married to Segun Erewa. Honorable Abike Dabiri Erewa has been described as a sterling Nigerian Amazon, an outstanding brilliant broadcaster who later transmitted to an outstanding brilliant parliamentarian. Fondly called Mother of Teresa of the Tube because of her compassion of the less privileged, and now Lady Diaspora for pioneer effort in putting diaspora affairs on the front burner. She's an icon, an epitome of fashion, anytime, any day. 5. Fumi Tejosho. Adefunmilayo Tejosho Ine Smith is a Nigerian politician who is a fourth-term Lagos State House of Assembly legislator. representing Mushi constituents. She is the chairperson of the Lagos State House of Assembly Committee on Finance. Teju Osho was born in Lagos State to the family of Ademola Smith, an epidemiologist who worked for the Nigerian government. She attended the University of Lagos Staff School, Akoka, Queen's College, Lagos, and completed her secondary school education in West Virginia. After high school, she attended West Virginia University, where she studied biology. She later earned a law degree from the University of Buckingham. Teju Osho holds a PhD in law from the University of Lagos. She is married to Omoba Kayode Teju Osho of the Teju Osho royal family of Ogun State, Nigeria. Together, they have 4 children. How does she always come up with such amazing outfits? I mean, she never disappoints. 6. Margaret Okadigbo. Margaret Chuba Okadigbo, a mother, a lawyer, and a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. She entered the public service to help restore the legacy of principled leadership, which was a principle her late husband, Honorable Dr. Chuba Okadigbo, stood for throughout his lifetime. She's a Christian and has claimed to derive my strength from reading the Bible. According to her, being a widow have more or less strengthened my capacity to advocate for the widows, the girl child, and the vulnerable members of our society. My position as a senator has made it possible for me to contribute to bills that will legislate for good governance and help better the lot of the poor and the very vulnerable individuals in our society. She style is a little bit more subdued, but never lacking in quality and courage. And lastly, number 7, Kema Chukwe. Kema Fonoyerim Kema Chukwe is a former Nigerian Federal Minister of Aviation. She currently holds the position of National Women Leader of the Nigerian Political Party, PDP. She obtained a doctorate from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, in curriculum education. Chukwe became a radio journalist, editor, and a publisher. She was a chief executive and a publisher, Primetime Limited, publisher of Ash Magazine. She has published 3 books, edited a number of publications, and contributed to several books. She's also a mother of Nigerian rapper Neto C, and is no slouch when it comes to turning heads at events. I guess these wonderful women are proof that beauty is indeed timeless.